Balamusizaako kansubira nti muli bulungi. Amanya nze Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita. Greetings everybody, my name is Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita, and today I'm going to teach you Luganda. I'm going to give you a Luganda lesson about family, the people we find in our families. So leero ngenda kubasomesa baani betusanga mu family zaffe, people in our families. Mama, mama. Mu Luganda tugamba mama. Mama. In Luganda we say mama. Mama. Mom in English is mom. Luganda, mama. Mama. So, if I want to introduce my mom, my mother, to somebody else, I say, uno. Mama. I say, ono mama wange. Ono mama wange. This is my mother. This is my mother. Ono mama wange. Tata. Tata. In Luganda we say tata. Tata. That is daddy. Daddy. Tata, daddy. Tata, daddy. Ono, tata, wange. Ono, tata, wange. This is my father. This is my daddy. Ono, tata, wange. Ono, tata, wange. This is my father. Mwana. Mwana. Mwana is child in English. Mwana. Mwana, child. Ono mwana wange. Ono mwana wange. This is my child. Ono mwana wange. This is my child. Muganda wange. Muganda wange. Muganda wange. Muganda wange. It should be one word. Muganda wange. No, it can be one. Muganda wange. Muganda wange is my sister. My sister is Muganda wange. Muganda wange, you use this one, Muganda wange, if you are talking about your sibling of the same sex. Your sibling of the same sex is Muganda wange. Muganda wange is a sibling of the same sex. If I'm talking about my sister, I'll say Muganda wange. Muganda wange. Mwannyinaze. Mwannyinaze. Mwannyinaze is my brother. Mwannyinaze is my brother. If I'm talking about my sibling of an opposite sex, is my mwannyinaze. Is mwannyinaze my brother? I can't say mwannyinaze if I'm talking about my sister. Mwannyinaze is my brother. Muganda wange is my sister. Do you get? If you are talking about your sibling of the same sex, that is muganda wange. Muganda wange. That's a sibling of same sex. Same sex with you. Muganda wange. If I'm talking about a sibling of the opposite sex, is mwannyinaze. Mwannyinaze. Mwannyinaze is my sibling of the opposite sex, which is my brother. Here, I'm talking about my brother, mwannyinaze. Muganda wange, I'm talking about my sister. Judge. Jajja. Jajja. Jajja is grandma. Is grandma or grandpa. In Luganda, we use jajja for both grandma or grandpa. Jajja. That is general. Jajja. Grandma or grandpa. But if I want to differentiate between these two, I can say jajja or mukazi. Jajja or mukazi. Jajja or mukazi is grandma. Jajja or mukazi is grandma. Jajja or musajja. Jajja or musajja is grandpa. Senga. Senga. Senga is auntie. Senga is auntie. Senga wange. Senga wange is my auntie. My auntie is senga wange. So in English, aunt can be any auntie. You can call auntie a sister of your mother or a sister of your brother. A sister of your father. Auntie in English is a sister of your mother or a sister of your father. But in Luganda, when you say senga, senga, senga is the sister of your father. Senga is a sister of your father. She can only be a sister of your father, is the senga. Auntie in English can